Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from our video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to select video and then select new, and we can choose the video we want to remove the watermark from. And I'm going to select video from this folder or this album, this one guys. For example, I'm going to remove the watermark from this video, but wait, I'm gonna change the canvas. All right, and I'm going to show you how we can remove this watermark. If we want to remove watermark, we need to duplicate our video. Tap on our video and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option, and then we're going to make it as an overlay by clicking on the switch button like this, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and to remove the watermark, we're going to use mask feature. Tap on the second video and we're going to go to the mask. And here you can choose the shape of the mask you want to apply to your video. And for instance guys, I'm going to select the circle mask and then click on the check mark, and we can adjust the size of the mask. Wait, I'm going to adjust the size according to the watermark we want to remove. Okay, and you can take another part of your video to cover the watermark, and I'm just going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it, and click on the check mark. Then you can drag the mask to cover your watermark. Okay, you can zoom in or zoom out, then keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And then to make it more natural, I recommend you to apply filter or adjustment. I'm gonna go to the folder and then I'm going to adjust it, and I'm gonna adjust the lightness just a little bit. Okay, it looks better, right? Right guys, and this is the final result. As you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!